So welcome, guys. Right now I'm going to put the Eclipse cross emblem right on the front of this 2023 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross SE. And this is what you're going to need. You're going to need the emblems. You're going to need the tape. You're going to need some gloves. Need some alcohol as a degreaser, and you're going to need 2 sheets of paper towel. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the part number for these guys. Okay, and then this is what they're going to look like when you open them. You got instructions, then you have the actual, it come in 3 different pieces, right? Now, okay, so we're gonna put this to the side real quick, and we're gonna clean the hood. Well, we're not cleaning the hood because the cars have already been washed. What we're going to do is we're going to degrease the hood. So I'm going to put some alcohol. Yep. Here. That lid back. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to because this is where it's going to go. Okay, not here, but from this line all the way over to this line. You may not go all the way over there, but you'll see once I center everything. And what I'm doing is I'm just rubbing it, keep rubbing it and rubbing it. And it's just removing all the grease. And then after that, I'm going to just sit that on top of the alcohol and just take a clean, dry, and just make sure all the grease is off of there. No grease. It has to be no grease. Okay. Okay. Now, this emblem is very important because you see the tip of this is going to line up with your Eclipse. So once I take these 3 out of here, okay, this is what I was talking about. Very important. You see that little notch that's in here? The little notch that's in here? This little notch lines up with the tip of the Mitsubishi. So, and that's telling me that it is centered. So you want to make sure that's centered, right? So, but before that, you want to have your pieces of tape already cut. So we have 1, 2, 3, right, guys? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 pieces of tape on each of those guys, and you'll see why I'm doing that in a minute. All right. Now it's very important. Do not peel this off beforehand, right? But as you can see, I'm going to take my gloves off when I peel this, but as you can see, it's hard to get off. It's hard to come apart with your gloves on. But once the gloves come off, it's going to be much easier, right? So let's line this up again. Right? I'm going to bring that right there. And then what I'm going to do is, see, so okay. So I'm gonna stick that to the plastic, and then I'm gonna make sure that this is straight. Right? Now you can see how that's lined up to the tip of that. Okay. And the reason why, now just want to tell you this, the reason why I did the tape like this is because you want to be able to fold it over and peel back the sticky part. That's I'm sorry, the actual backing of the actual letters. So just push that back right here. That's going to stay in place, right? Also, spelling of it. You don't want to make sure that you have the wrong spelling, because once it's on, it's on. And then for this guy, you just make sure that it is kind of lined up here, right? See this? You can see it by lining that up. Right? So this where it gets kind of, we'll hold that there. And I'm gonna move that. So right? So I ain't sticking nothing on here yet. I'm just sticking the tape on to make sure that once I get it lined up, I can just go ahead and just put that on there. I think that's good. Okay. And then, as you can see, how it's spaced out. Now, it don't have to be a whole bunch of space, but you want to make sure that this is down a little bit. Okay, so then the next one, let's line this up. Get your tape. Right. Line that up. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to go over to make sure that everything's lined up, right? So so that's how it will look. So now, take our gloves off. No, latex gloves and a little bit of sweat. Okay, so okay, so now we are here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a piece of tape, and I want to just put a piece of tape, and I want to just stick it right in the middle, and then I'm going to stick it right here, and I'm going to go on there and do that. So when I lift it up, I won't have no problems. Okay, so now we do the lift. Lift, lift, and lift. Put them back down. See how they fall right in place? And it's still level and easy. Okay, so now here's the difficult part is going to be. Well, it's not really difficult, but it's this getting the inch it is. And what you want to do is, okay, I see it. And what you want to do is you want to make sure, here's my tape. That was my tape. See that? So you want to make sure that when you peel this off, you want to make sure that you do not touch the letters. So you can touch
this part of the sticky, but not the back of the letters, right? So what I'm going to do is come down just like that. I'm not going to stick them all the way, but now each one of these at the edge, you can see the edge. The edge, there's a slither of a what it separates. It's not much, but shoot, it's almost coming out. Take your time in doing this because you don't want to rush this. You do not want to rush it. Okay, there's another one. You do not want to rush it. You want to take your time. You can always, you don't have to stick it all the way down all at first because you can always go back to do anything as far as making them straight. Right. Okay, so I'll fill back over. There you go. There you go. So that's the difficult part of this whole thing. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to see. Okay, so now I'm going to bring it down. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to push them down. We got everything straight. Each letter. Now, just so you know that this is not permanent, but permanent for now. You have to wait a couple days before you get a car wash. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tape off. That degreaser, meaning that the alcohol, very important. Very important. So, and that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to just... Now, just... I just like to make sure that each letter is on. Each letter is on. Now, this is the easier part. The back part is really your hardest part because it is really onto that onto the wax paper, and so it should be. Okay, so looking good. Now, mind you, this procedure at the dealership, at Mitsubishi dealership, is $160. The total price for this is $369, I think you said. And that's it. That's all. Wow, look how it really complements the chrome going around the headlights and the actual emblem is emblem. I mean, the emblem, and it looks really nice. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next one.